Hi guys, welcome to my channel Amos Likes. My name is Amos and today I'm hiking at Lau Shui Heung. I hope you enjoy the video. Fanling is located in the New Territories in Hong Kong. To get to Lau Shui Heung, take the East Coast MTR line to Fanling, exit Fanling station at exit C and walk over to the minibus station. Get on the 52B minibus. There is a 20 to 30 minutes wait for each bus and fares cost $6.03 for both adults and children. Once you reach the roundabout at the top of the windy hill, get off the bus. If you're feeling energetic, you can take the 13.3-kilometer hike back to Tai Po Khao, but we are on an easy walk around the Lau Shui Heung Reservoir today, which is about 2.8 kilometers there and back. Remember to wear suitable hiking footwear, loose clothing, and bring plenty of water with you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. Here's Mummy again, and I'm at the Lau Shui Heung. It's a very old bridge.
So go on, try the bridge, Amos, see where it leads to. Lead the way, Captain Amos.
Careful, because you might fall down. Look at that gap.
Yes, that is so thin that it might fall into the cracks.
Mummy, you look in.
But you don't have any trouble, Amos, especially with your big tummy, right?
Oh, the river. Come on, let's go down.
Let's go. Okay, Amos. Today was a fun day hiking, right?
Yeah, remember that morning? I was really sweating. Look at me.
That's right, you are sweating, Amos.
I'm red as hot.
So how was hiking today?
Very good.
So do you recommend this place to your friends and people watching?
Yeah.
It's the end of today's episode.
So,
Until next time,
I hope you enjoy this video.
please click subscribe and like this video if you think Amos is a
Smelly pig.
I agree. Bye bye everyone.
Bye. See you on the next episode.